Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can sketch parametric graphs using a table of results. And I'll show you how to create the table using your calculators. We'll work through two questions. And if you want to work along with me, you can download this PDF from my website. I'll leave a link below. In question 1, we've been given these parametric equations where x equals 3t minus 1 and y equals t cubed. We're given the range of t from -2 to +2. We need to complete this table of results, and then we need to plot the graph using the x and the y coordinates. And I'll show you how to do this on a calculator. So if we go to our calculators, we need to enter the x and the y functions. So we'll go home, and we want table. And we're going to define each of these. We'll define this one as f of x, and this one as g of x. So if we press Tools, we want to define the functions. And the calculator uses x, so I'm going to replace this t with x. So we'll have 3x minus 1. We'll go back to Tools, we'll define our y, and this will be t cubed, so x to the power of 3. So we'll enter the -1, and then we'll enter the 0.5. And I'll screenshot these results. So when t is -1, x will be -4. And y will be -1. And when t is 0.5, the x will be 0.5, and the y will be 0.125. Okay, so this is just a really quick and easy way of completing the table. We could do this separately on our calculators. I just find this is really easy. So now we need to plot each of these points. The first point is when x is -7 and y is -8. Then we'll have -5.5 and -3.375. Then we'll have -4, -1, and we'll carry on with each of these. We'll plot each of these coordinate pairs, and we can sketch a graph by joining them together. And that's the sketch of these parametric equations, okay? Let's try example 2. So now we're given that x equals 5 sine t and y equals 2 cos t, where t is in the range of 0 to 2 pi. We need to complete these missing values, and then we need to plot the graph. Do you want to give this question a go yourself? Try and work out these values on your calculator using the table mode. You can pause the video and come back when you're ready. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So we'll clear our table. Then we need to define our new functions. So we'll say that f of x is 5 sine x, and g of x is 2 cos x. We need to make sure our calculator is in radians mode. So when t is pi over 4, we'll enter this in. We'll enter in when t is pi, and when we have 3 pi over 2. And again, I'll screenshot these results. So for pi over 4, we have our x value and our y value. When t is pi, we'll have 0 and -2. And when t is 3 pi over 2, we've got -5 and 0. Now we need to plot each of these coordinate pairs. And when we plot these points together, you'll see we have a perfect ellipse. Okay? To find the domain, well, this considers the range of the x values. So this is when x is less than or equal to 5, but greater than or equal to -5. And the range, this considers the y values. This goes from -2 to +2. So we'll say f of x is less than or equal to 2, but greater than or equal to -2. Okay? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you want more practice on this, you can download the worksheet and view the online lesson from my website, mrmathematics.com.